Okay, let's click on Facebook. I hope you
Alright,
know.
bitches. Today you're gonna learn what the crouching tiger's all like.
Yes!
So I'm not high, so it's not gonna be as funny. This will not go on Facebook.
This
will
will
go on
go on
This
Facebook.
will go on
No,
Facebook.
because I said I was not high. And if my parents find out.
We won't tag you in it.
Okay. Well, don't tag me in it. They're still gonna see me. They're gonna know who the fuck I am because I'm fucking crouching tiger, bitch! I'll fucking crouching tiger on your ass!
I'm gonna cut you.
I'll cut you. I'll fucking cut you. I swear to God, I won't go all ninja shit on you. I'll make it start. I swear to God, get in the mood. I'm getting in the fucking mood. Don't start, bitch.
Fetch.
Bitch.
Bubbles!
Bubbles! Bubbles! Bubbles!
Bubbles!
Bubbles is a whore.
Bubbles!
He left.
Oh, I know.
That just
So I'm gonna
ruined
cut him. I'm
everything.
just gonna cut him off crouching. I'll be like, bitch, start with me, whore. Fucking cut. That's fucking ninja shit.
Stop.
What's sad is that if you look back